Hey guys, I just woke up, but it's day 4, so let's get started. Okay, so my mom had to open it on the back so she could see if there's another bracelet for my sister. So I think it's in day 4 now, because I think she moved it up. And she replaced it with something else, but she took it.
Because that bracelet was in the day 24.
Yeah. No, it was in a different day. She checked day 24 and it wasn't there. It was in the last number she checked. She checked number 4, and then she went all the way to 24, and then she kept going like this, and then it was in the last number she picked. See, the bracelet is here too. Okay, this is my sister's bracelet. Here you go. And now we're gonna go on to the next one, and you open the next one. Open number 4. My sister's gonna open it. It says Weekend in El Arbolito. I think. Yeah. Okay, we have to look around here.
I found it.
You did? That? Where is the? I don't see that. Is it here? I don't see anything. Don't tell me if you see it. Oh, I found it. It's inside.
Oh.
Here.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you. That's it for day 4, and we'll see you in day 5. Bye.